This guy has been drooling like crazy, and last week when my mom was over, she said, "Oh, it looks like you have a little teether on your hands." And I was like, "What do you mean? He just got here." Oh, wow. Whenever I have a question about my child's development, I always go to the Lovevery app and just check in with the experts. And sure enough, the things that he's been doing have been displaying teething. Luckily, I have the right tool for the job, which is this silicone teether that comes with the charmer play kit. As you can see, he loves it. And aside from pain relief, the expert in the app was also talking about all the other benefits that these teethers offer. Do you want this? Wow, good job. They help with hand-eye coordination. As you can see, it has 2 different handles on it, so he can really work on holding the same object with both hands. Other than that, these types of teethers really help with oral motor development, which is critical for speech development later in life. This will help make you a talker. Can you believe it? What I also love about it is, if you can see here, there's this little button. You can actually put this cloth through it. So you can hold it above their head, and they can just have some other texture to basically grab onto. You can also put this in the refrigerator, and it just adds like a nice little cooling pain relief for those times when they really need it. As you can see, he absolutely loves it, and as a parent, I love that he loves it. I think it helps so much with skill development and helping him get what he needs at this time. If you're interested in getting this must-have teether, you can pick it up in the Charmer Play Kit by Lovevery. Right?